Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add the log a call button to Salesforce Lightning quickly and easily. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and click on it. After that, choose the object you want to update like case, contacts, lead, or opportunity. Now, click Page Layouts from the left menu and select the layout you want to modify. In the Layout Editor, locate the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section, usually near the top left. To add the button, find the Log a Call action in the top palette and drag it into the Lightning Experience Actions section. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top left corner to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added the Log a Call button to your Salesforce Lightning page layout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.